In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Api-ms-win-core-apiquery-l1-1.0 missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is know your system type. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Locate the system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on it on the first match. Scroll down and then you have to click the download button corresponding to the system type. And then once you have downloaded it, click on the folder icon. Okay, so click on the download. Then click on the folder icon. Then make a right click. Then simply make a right click on it and then select the extract all option. After extracting it, copy the DLL file. And then you have to click on the start button and then you have to go to File Explorer. Click on this PC. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Scroll down to the S section. Here you'll find System 32. So if you're a 64-bit, select System 32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. So I am a 64-bit, so I'm going to System 32. And simply make a right click and then paste the DLL file that you have copied. And after so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. So click on the start button or right click at the start button, go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. Updating your Windows comes with the necessary files that we need. So simply update your Windows to the latest version. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.